How to do an oil change. Put that crap oil in there, plug it back up, new filter, new oil in. Done. Tutorials are sweet. Alright, so that's a trumpet, and that's going to be going inside the air filter. And that shit's fancy. And that one's for this, pending it'll fit, and we don't need to rip everything off.
Why is the noisemaker, the fun stuff, the hardest to install?
It's to dissuade you from doing such to the machine of the Queen's machine.
The Queen's machine? Her Majesty's motor. You know the worst thing is going to be doing the speedo cable. And it's going to be even more painful because I could have done it so easily when the radiator was...
Oh, that sucks.
Yep.
That sucks.
Seriously, man.
Every time I'm around.
Every time.
That sounds like a dead battery to me.
Yeah, I mean, I have fired it up 20 times in the past 2 days doing shit. You crank that to 250?
Cranking up. Doo-doo-doo. Yep.
Nice. Alright, so
Down it'll. Oh wow! There's enough metal.
whoa!
I'm surprised there's enough metal that sticks. I wonder when it'll stop. That's pretty good. Like,
Yeah.
hey, it's so really it's just this joint.
Yeah, somebody just bonded over the joint.
Yeah. Because even over here, it's pretty sticky.
That's awesome.
That is good news.
Yeah.
Thanks, Steve Marco.
Your Bondo checker is amazing.
This was fresh oil too, and then I took this to the track.
Yeah, Probably change it after every track event.
Yeah, that was my plan. But that I knew the car was just gonna sit, so I was like, ah, whatever.
Yeah.
Change. Put that crap oil in there, plug it back up, new filter, new oil in. Done. Tutorials are sweet. Sounds so bad.
So bad, Matt. I'm sorry. Well, the outer feathers will not, or sills will not be falling off anytime soon. At least there's something to attach this cage to.
It sounds like it's all rust, though.
There's a base corner here. It's safer than it was, man. It's safer than it was.
Oh, this is why you buy cars sight unseen off the internet. Oh, and look at that. The fucking floor is caved in. Of course it fucking is.
Did you expect anything different?
No, I fucking didn't. All the oil that was in there is now in there.
Let's get some more pressure on the puppy.
This headlight needs
some loving.
Yeah, some weather stripping or something around it. And that will do it today for us at the shop. We got an oil change done, a few bits on the engine done as well. Batteries charging and will be replaced. And we also installed a roll cage. We got that fully bolted in. And we found a few surprises which we'll discuss in the next video. But we might not be tracking Brutus this season. So stick around and see what's going on. Thanks for joining us.